Hello coffee lover, Pop Hopi here, and this is my Power Roaster explanation series where I'm showing you some details and design considerations that we have made and are going to make regarding our Power Roaster. Kickstarter right now until April 24th. Okay, so the videos that we made of the Power Roaster, the first demo video that we have on the Kickstarter campaign, has this glass and this chamber, and this is our initial prototype, actually many generations after our very first prototype, and this worked well, but there was some design considerations because the problem is we had to somehow attach the glass and the chamber together, and the only way that we could do that is with a hose clamp. Now the hose clamp, we knew this is just a temporary solution. We're not going to put the Power Roaster on the market with a hose clamp. We have spent too much in the production of the internals of this machine as well as the design of this machine to use a hose clamp. So we knew it was just for prototype purposes, okay? And it was the only way to attach these two together. So what we've done is we wanted to use a glass that was different from this. This is hand blown, and we made maybe 3 dozen pieces here in Bali, and we had some challenges with it. So we knew that we had to change the materials and the way it was made. And we went to a borosilicate glass, which is what this is, which is stronger, thinner, it's more evenly made, and also it's easier to be able to see the color of the coffee while the coffee is being roasted. So we've changed the material to this borosilicate glass. The other thing that we changed, as you can see, is the chamber shape and design. So this is the initial chamber that we were using, and this is a typical chamber that you would find on popcorn poppers. They're all a little bit different, and actually the chamber is very important because the chamber dictates the airflow in the machine, and it's very important to have this be the right shape, the right design, the right angles. There's so many different factors that we found out when we were exploring and checking out different prototype machines. So we've tooled a different chamber, and that is this chamber, and you can see it's a little bit larger at the very top, and the reason we did that is so the borosilicate glass could slip in and fit in, and now we have a chamber with the same diameter on the inside. It sits flush, it works better, and the glass fits in there better without the hose clamp. However, we still need a handle for this to be able to pick it up after the roast to pour out the coffee once it's been completed and roasted. So what we're doing, and we have changed this one generation further, but this will give you an idea of what we're going to do. We are not going to use this plastic handle. It does not look good. It's only for purposes of function. But what we are going to have is a nicely designed, sleek handle that comes on the outside and runs the whole length of the glass borosilicate chamber, and has this metal band in 2 places. Here, where we have the indentation of the chamber, and also the metal band will fit at the top of the glass chamber. So you'll be able to pick it up and it will come together. It's not clamped on hard between the metal and the glass. It is nicely secured snugly. You can use the handle to dump out. So not only will it be better in function, but also better in form. So we're really excited about this new chamber design, and that is something that we've already had done with the tooling costs. There'll be some further tooling costs with some of the other small design changes that were made, but we haven't come this far then to use a handle like this. Don't worry about it. We are very concerned with design and function, and we know how important it is for this machine to be sleek, modern, contemporary. We want people to be able to show off to their friends their new home coffee roaster that works great and that also looks great on your kitchen counter. And people come over, oh, what is that? Well, that's my new Power Roaster coffee roaster. Would you like some coffee? Well, nothing's better than fresh roasted coffee. So that's it for that part of it, and we will post these videos so you can see some of the further information that we want to get to you about the Power Roaster and the Kickstarter campaign. Thanks a lot. Check out the Kickstarter campaign. It's there till April 24th, and you still get a discount that's available plus free shipping. So after the campaign, we cannot offer that anymore. We're just offering that for the campaign. Thanks a lot. This is Pop Colby, Coffee University, saying see you next time.